observe, and once hint I am giving you, whatever the product or whatever the stocks you are purchasing and you are giving the discount or you are receiving the discount, at that time we need to post the journal entries of a transactions. Means whatever the amount you have presented, that amount we need to post to a particular stock or to a particular company or to a particular party name. And how much cash we are paying, that cash amount we need to mention on a journal entry. So previous we have done some mistake, just we can see now here. Furniture 5000 rupees, discount received 500 rupees. So how? Furniture total amount we need to post, furniture account 5000, to cash how much? 500. Just I'll write the entry. Furniture account debitor, how much amount? 5000. That's all, leave it. Okay. 2 cash account, how much we have paid a cash? 4500. Debit and credit has been tallied? No. So remaining 500, what is that? Discount received. Means credit also we should tally. So that time we need to write the entry as to discount received account, how much? 500 rupees. So debit and credit has been tallied. 5000, 500, 4500 plus 500, 5000. In this way we need to post the transactions. It is very easy to understand. And purchase from ABC Company Limited 10,000 and cash paid 9,800. Same way, here we have seen the stock name, but here we have seen the company name. So what is the entry here? ABC Company Limited, how much amount total? 10,000. Account debitor, ABC Company account debitor 10,000, to cash, how much we have paid the cash? 9,800. So we need to mention at credit side. So how much the remaining amount? 200. The 200 should be discount received. If you are paying, you have received, right? If you are giving, you are allowing the discount to a customer. Discount received 200 rupees. This is the way you need to post the transactions if you are given any discount. Just one more example I'll explain. Purchased from Naresh 2000 rupees. Something you have purchased on so and so date. For example, you have purchased on 5th March 2016, and next on 31st December 16 you have paid, from 2000 you have paid 1800 to Naresh. What is this? We can see some transactions in past, in some months you have purchased something and 2000, and after confirmations, after satisfaction of you have paid so and so amount on a request date. Okay, so here you have confirmed as a 2000, but here you have paid 1800. Here what, how much the difference? Here we have 200 rupees. So that is a discount received. You have received the discount 200 rupees. Now how to write the entry? Naresh company or Naresh account debtor, how much? 2000, cash, how much you have paid the cash here. Just understand about this and later you can write the entry. 1800 you have paid. What is the remaining about a remaining amount? That is a discount allowed. Sorry, discount received account. How much? 200. So in this way we need to mention the transactions whenever you are receiving discount. Okay, still now we have seen about receiving the discount, and if you give the discount to a customer, how to write the entry. For example, cash received from Ramu or else Ravi, cash received from Ravi 3000 rupees, okay, instead of 4000. Clear about this? We have received the cash from Ravi 3000 instead of 4000, means previous we want to receive the amount 4000 rupees from a person, but after settlement he has came to a last final and he has paid us 3000. So how much the difference is? 1000. 1000 is loss or profit? Loss automatically. So we have allowed the discount to the customer. So normally if you are selling the product, how you will write, or if you are receiving the cash from a person, how you will write? Cash received from Ravi, means cash account data to Ravi account you will mention. In that, if you are allowing the discount, how to write the entry? Cash account, how much cash you have received, you must mention that cash amount. Cash account data, how much we have received? 3000. And cash account data to Ravi. So here what we need to write? Cash account data to Ravi. Account, how much? Total 4000 rupees. So what is the discount here? We need to write discount allowed account debitor here 1000 rupees. So this is the way you need to write the entry. Cash account data, discount allowed account data to Ravi. So debit and credit has been equal 4000 no? So in this way we need to understand the transactions. And next, received from Raju 8900 and discount allowed rupees. How much you are giving the rupees for him? The discount 100 rupees. So what is the entry here? We are receiving from Raju. What we are receiving? Cash. Okay. So first we need to write here cash account debitor. How much we are receiving cash? 8900. So same way total Raju amount how much? 9000 rupees. So we need to write here discount allowed account debitor. to Raju account 9,000 rupees. So these are related to a discount allowed and also discount received. Discount received can be observed whenever we are purchasing the goods, and discount allowed can be written whenever you are selling to the customer, means we are giving the discount, so that time it is known as a discount allowed. And whenever we are receiving the products, that time we need to see as a discount received. So these all are the transactions: cash received and received from Raju, discount allowed, all those. We have completed the transactions which we will face in a business, or which we will face in a organizations or in daily basis. And some more transactions we can see. For example, if you open the account, okay, so how to write the entry? Opened an account in State Bank of Hyderabad. So what is the entry? At that time we are opening the account, means if you are opening the account, means your automatic, means in a present situations you are giving the amount to a bank to open an account. So we need to write here SBH account debitor to SBH bank account debitor. Account debitor, how much? 1000 rupees to cash account. Open an account in State Bank of Hyderabad. 1000 SBH account data to cash account 1000 rupees. In some cases, if you are selling the stock products and if you are any loss, in that time what is the transactions? For example, if you have purchased any plant and machineries or any stationaries you have purchased, in that time you have got some damage. For that damage they will less the amount, and what are the final amount they will give you, and you will purchase so and so amount. At that time what we need to mention the entry. So in the discount basis we can easily identify, but we not to mention the discount allowed, discount. If it is damage, how to enter, or if you are lost any cracking or whatever it may be, but you want to purchase that product, so at that time what is the entry? For example, purchased plant and machinery for rupees 4000, okay, at a loss 2000 rupees or else 500 rupees, okay. So now what is the entry? Or sold, for example, if you are sold plant and machinery rupees at a loss, you got the loss. If you are purchasing, you will get a profit, right? Whenever you are facing the loss, how to write the entry? So here, if you are selling, normally if you are selling a plant and machinery means what we will write? Cash account data to plant and machinery account. So in this basis you have got a loss, so how to write the loss? So total amount we need to pay for a seller, we need to mention. For a customer, they are paying for us 3500 rupees, means we are receiving the cash account debitor. How much? 3500. So total amount here how much? 4000 rupees, means we need to tally the debit and also credit. Here we got debit side 3500. If we got here 3500 means at credit there is a 4000, right? So should not bother about credit side. And how much, what we need to write here? Cash account debtor loss, we need to mention the loss here, same as like discount allowed, how you are writing the word discount allowed and discount received, just same here also. Loss of plant and machinery due to any scrap or else damages, we can mention the reason also if you require. So how much loss we have got here? 500. Mention the amount 500 to plant and machinery. Total plant and machinery amount 4000 rupees. So this way we need to enter the entries. Just we need to understand the transactions, whether it is loss or whether it is a discount allowed or discount received. If you are writing here, next, loan taken from bank. So what is the entry? just previous what I have mentioned, whenever you are seeing a bank name in your transaction, we should not take the bank, we should take as a cash. Someone may ask cash account, cash withdrawn from bank, cash deposited to bank. That time there is no chance to take as a both debit and credit as a cash. So that time we can mention as a bank to cash or as cash to bank. But in any stock basis or loan basis, payment expenses, in that time bank word it is, if it is present, we should mention as a cash. If bank name is present, we should mention as a bank name. Loan taken from bank, I'm writing here as a 7,000 rupees. What is the entry? We are taking the loan, cash account debitor, means we are receiving the cash, so we need to mention as a cash. From where we are receiving? Loan. To loan account. So we need to write here 7,000. This is the entry. For example, if you are receiving the amount through a bank loan, for example, loan taken from Andhra Bank. So entry we can write Andhra Bank account debitor to loan account. How much amount you have mentioned, just represent that entry in this way, depends on your transactions. And next we can see here if you are starting the business, means for your business it is a capital. Why? Because you are spending the business. Whenever you are spending, that time for you it is expenses. Whenever you are in the form of your business, that time it is for your income. So same question we can write in another way: cash bought into a business. So entry means we are receiving the cash in the form of capital. Whatever you are receiving simple cash to a business, that is treated as a capital. Capital is means it may be loan or it may be interest or it may be commission, but whatever it may be, that is a second. So first we are receiving cash, that's all. So it is treated as a capital account. Cash account debitor to capital account. Okay, this is the basis how to post the transactions to a journal entries. So just we are clear about our journal entries. So in this way we need to post our transactions to a journal entries. After journal entries, what are those? Next, ledgers. Ledgers means, for example, here there are two transactions like this, loan taken from bank and loan taken from Andhra Bank. Means how to write the ledger for this? We need to prepare separate book, loan book. In loan we have, in any ledgers we have two types, that is debit and credit. How much we have paid, how much we have received, that we should mention in that book. So loan taken from bank, we should write the loan account as a heading. Whatever you are writing the heading, that name we should not take in a inside of your pro forma. For example, if you are preparing the loan account, here the entry is cash account to loan account. So where you will write the cash, debit side or credit side? If debit side means to, credit side means buy. So here to already loan, so we should not take the name as a loan. Why? Because we are preparing same book. So buy cash at credit side 7,000 rupees. And next one, loan taken from Andhra Bank, by Andhra Bank, so and so amount. So total write the amount and balance sheet 7th means 8,000, debit also 8,000. To balance, brought down or else carried down if you want to mention. So same way we should prepare for a different ledgers, sub ledgers, and also based on a transactions we need to mention debit side or else credit side. Credit side means which we are receiving, debit side which we are paying to a customer. So in this way we need to mention all those transactions.